Hello guys, now we'll talk about the adjustment entries. Okay, so where and all will this adjustment entry occurs? Okay, see, in double entry concept the adjustment occurs in two places. Every adjustment occurs always in two places. See, when we see closing stock, it occurs in trading account credit side and balance sheet asset side. Then we have outstanding expense, it occurs in profit and loss account debit side and liabilities side in the balance sheet. Okay, then we have prepaid expense. Prepaid expense can be available at anywhere. Trading or profit and loss account, trading or profit and loss account on balance sheet asset side. Okay, in trading and profit and loss account, it will occur at debit side. Okay, and then we have accrued income. It will come under. It will come under. We have to add any at a particular income, and then we have to also mention it in the balance sheet asset side. Then received income received in advance. Okay, and we have to subtract it in any particular income, and we have to add it in the balance sheet liability side. And then we have interest on loan. We have to make sure we have to write it on the profit and loss debit side and balance sheet liability side. And then we have interest on investment. We have to write it on the profit and loss credit side and balance sheet asset side. And then we have bad debts. Bad debts occurs in profit and loss account debit side and balance sheet asset side. Okay, and we have to, in balance sheet we have to subtract it with the debtors in asset side. Okay, bad debts. And then we have provision for bad and doubtful debts and provision for discount on debtors. Both we have to add in the profit and loss account debit side, and we have to also make sure we have to add in the balance sheet asset debtors. We have to subtract it from the debtors. And we have provision for bad and doubtful debts or discount on debtors. Okay, I told already. Yeah, income tax, and we have income tax. Income tax occurs two times, but also in the balance, only in the balance sheet. Okay, in balance sheet liability side you have to subtract it with capital, and in the balance sheet asset side you have to subtract it with the cash at bank. Okay, thank you guys.